who have been summoned here. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pasensya. Pasensya na po kayo at medyo mahaba talaga ito. Siguro abutin pa kami 3 araw dito, sana hindi na. Kaya minaharapan po namin na humarap na kayo dito ngayon para mapatunayan natin kung kayo ay talagang una, meron bang Davao Death Squad na sinasabi o di kayo ay may nalalaman sa inyong mga kasama na may ginagawang hindi dapat gawin. So, isa-isahin po natin at patatayin namin kayo, ibigay nyo yung pangalan ninyo, saan kayo sa Davao, anong unit kayo, at meron po kayong abogado, ano po? Yung po bang kanina pa, si Attorney Milton at saka si Attorney Malaki, kasama niyo ba yan? Binabayaran niyo ba yung dalawa yan? Mukhang yayaman sa inyo, ang dami niyo eh. So, pro bono ba yan? So, Comsec, we already have Colonel Abudi Garina, and now we will have, will you please stand up, the gentleman there? Do you have the list of the people that we called para isa-isa, para hindi naman para ma-check nyo kung tama, no? You have to check kung sino nandito at wala dito. O, ikaw lang tumawag.
Arthur Las Cañas.
Oh, natawag na natin yan. Oh.
JC Francia.
Sana po. Sige. JC Francia. Sige, check nyo na. Alright, sige. Stand up lang po. Sandali mo, para yung hindi yung nakaupo, hindi pa natatawag. Ano po? Sige, go ahead.
Ronald Lau. Jim Tan. Sonny Buenaventura. Renante Medina. Benvenido Purog.
Yes. May heart failure siya? Oh, ang heart failure, talagang nagkaroon ng heart failure. Heart disease. Very delicate ang condition niya. Is that what you're saying? Last year.
He underwent angiogram last year and had a mild stroke.
So what
last
are you
May.
saying? He cannot be here. He cannot travel. He's not allowed to
Although
travel.
he wanted to, Your Honor, but his doctor advised him not to attend, Your Honor. He has a medical certificate, Your Honor. He's,
Well, will you please submit it to the COMSEC, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Lina?
Yes, sir.
He will receive it.
yes, sir.
So, Mr. Purog is not here. Who is next?
Vivincio Humawan was already called earlier.
Can you speak loudly and clearly, like a COMSEC of the Senate of the Republic of the Philippines
Yes,
should
sir.
say it?
Enrique de los Reyes
That's better.
Aya was already called earlier.
You already called him, yeah.
June Laresma.
Is Mr. Laresma here?
Rizalino Aquino. Dumito Ubales. June Bisnar. Gaston Aquino.
Mr. Aquino, are you here? Mr. Aquino is absent. Milton,
Ray Salino Aquino, Your Honor.
Gaston. Okay, baka nag-double entry po
Ray
ito.
Salino G. Asingot Gascon Aquino.
Okay.
so yung kanina, check mo yung una.
Yes, sir.
So, nakorek mo na?
Andito.
Oh, sige. Thank you. Next.
Isidero Floribel or Florobel? Florobel. Florobel.
Floribel, is he here?
Retired.
Retired. Oh, lagyan mo dyan,
Okay.
retired. Wala dito.
Ray Capote. Tony Rivera. Dionisio Abude was called already earlier. And Benvenido Laud is bedridden. The others are Alvin Laud at civilians, Rolly
Alvin Laur, are you here? Please raise your hand para makita namin kayo, no?
Rolly Ingalia.
Wala. Rolling Galia, wala. I will ask you kung sino wala, ha? Sige, go ahead.
Arnoldo Chavez. And we were informed earlier that Pavo is already deceased. That's all,
Who
sir.
is this?
Pavo.
Pabo.
Yes, sir. Fulgencio Pavo. That's all, sir.
That's all?
Yes.
Who is the lady there? Lawyer, okay. Any other lawyers here? For a change, we have a better looking lawyer instead of the other two kanina. Just kidding, relax. Alright, did we call, have we called everybody already?
Yes, sir. As far as the list is
So how many
concerned.
are absent?
One, only one, sir?
Deceased. In my heart condition.
Yeah,
si
Purog.
Purog. Oh.
Yes, sir. Then deceased is Pabo.
Pabo, and then may sick.
Sir, I called his name. Aquino. Yeah. There are 23 in the list, sir. 23, and those absent is Ingalia and Purog. Purog has a medical condition,
Yes.
and Pavo is deceased. And the rest were called, are accounted for.
Si Floribel, sinabi mo?
Yes, sir. Cloribel retired.
Oh, lagay mo, absent siya eh. Okay. There's supposed to be 16.
Chavez are here?
Ayun, nasa likod. What's your name, sir? Arnold de Chavez. Arnold de Chavez.
Yes, sir. Yun po.
Oh, kompleto ka na?
Yes, sir.
Kompleto, hindi ka natawag kanina? O Chavez.
Abit
Oh,
Chavez.
didimanda natin ito at mali. Hindi mo na bumasa, no? Di Chavez. Okay. Wala na?
Raise your right hand. Raise your right hand.
All right. Can you raise your right hand and repeat after the distinguished ComSec?
Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this inquiry? Okay, you may take your seat.
Thank you very much. Who goes first? Does anybody have a presentation to make? A preliminary statement? I have the lawyer's name, the lady lawyer. Attorney Myla Comendador. Dash Lau. So, you are the husband? So you're married to your lawyer? That's convenient. You don't have to pay her. I thought you were a lawyer also for the gentleman here. No, you're not. So it's just Mr. Lau. You're lucky. You know how to choose your wife. All right. Okay. Please sit down. Thank you. The rest have their lawyers. Milton, are you Attorney Milton?
I'm Attorney Militon Lemos, Your Honor.
Meliton.
Yes, Your Honor.
Meliton, ano?
Lemos.
Lamos?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pronounced Lamos.
Lemos.
Hindi Lamos, ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Lamos. All right. And of course, the first name of Mr. Malaki, Attorney Malaki, is Tiny.
Heraclio, Your Honor.
Huh?
Heraclio.
Heracleo. From the Greek philosopher Heraclitus.
Probably, Your Honor.
Oh, you don't know your source. Okay, thank you.
My grandfather, Your Honor. I'm third, Your Honor.
Okay, sige, Heracleo. Thank you. All right. Senator Cayetano, would you like to start with anybody? I said Senator De Lima is obviously going to wait.
Mr. Chair, may I follow your suggestion because I don't have any questions that they just give their name, personal circumstance, and then if any one of them wants to make any statement, if not, Mr. Chair, we leave them up to the members of the Senate and your discretion.
All right. The gentleman in the jacket, who is the driver of Mayor Duterte. Can you please speak to the microphone? You don't have to stand up, just use the microphone.
I am the security driver of the then City Mayor Duterte, Your Honor.
Could you do me all a favor? May I ask Senator De Lima to come over here beside Alan Peter Cayetano unless you have any violent objection to that? So that I can line up all these gentlemen here so we can see their demeanor as well. Those who have been called, like Colonel Abude, you may go over there at the back. Mr. Ayaw ka na namin pakinggan ngayon. Doon ka na sa likod. At saka si Huh? Art, Las Canas, and Humawan. And now may I ask all of you to sit on the side of the table here, except for those who are going to testify when you're called. Please sit on the side here, so you can feel like here on the side, on the blank spaces here. Hurry up, please. On the double. There's some more seats there that are vacant. Please proceed there. I don't know if I may prevail on our people here if they can put head cards. Can you put head cards before them? Gentlemen, pwede ba? Lagyan natin sila ng pangalan. And then, for all your trouble, I'm going to have you bring your head card para may souvenir kayo. Alright? See? Alright. Ayan, para hindi tayo saksikan. Alright. Senator Cayetano? Could you please go, you have the microphone there. What is your name, sir?
I am SPO for Samson Buenaventura, Your Honor, retired policeman.
Samson Buenaventura, retired policeman of how many years service?
Sanson.
Sanson.
Yep. 30 years in the service.
And when did you retire?
2008 po, December 31, 2008.
And what was your last position when you retired? Ano po?
SPO4. SPO4.
SPO4. Position po?
Security driver of the city, then City Mayor Rodrigo.
How long were you a driver for Mayor Duterte?
Since I became mayor, Your Honor.
That was way back in 1988.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So 88
Up
until
to
when?
2008, Your Honor.
2000. So 20 years.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your
20
Honor.
years?
Yes, Your Honor.
20 years. All right. Senator Cayetano, would you like to start? Do you know Mr. Edgar Matabato?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
All right. How do you know him?
One time, Your Honor, nagpunta ako ng Samal Island. May nakita kong tao, hindi ko pa siya kilala, may nakita akong tao sa public market ng Samal. Naka-sleeveless, Your Honor, tapos...
You mean nakasando? Sleeveless ang pambaba yun eh.
Nakasando, naka-shoulder holster with 45.
May 45?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor. Naka-bandolier with M14. Nakasakay sa owner type jeep niya. Mayroon siyang owner type jeep before, Your Honor. Pagbaba niya, napatanong ako, sino yan? Dahil parang,
When was this?
hindi ko na maalala, Mayor, pero, Your Honor,
You may call me mayor also. I was a mayor. Don't worry.
hindi ko man na maalala, Your Honor, pero mga 90s yun, 90s.
90.
Late 90s, Your Honor.
Alright.
Sabi nila, napatanong ako sino, ganun talaga yun si Matubate. Napatanong ako kung sino yan, sabi nila, yun si Edgar Matubato. Tauhan ni Mayor Roger Antalan. Tapos, noon, Your Honor, sa Samal, yan talaga siya palagi. Yan siya naglalagi sa Samal.
Did you ever interact with him?
After yun,
Nagsama ba kayo?
hindi kami nagsama. Pero nakilala niya din ako.
Paano kanya nakilala? Napakilala
Siguro,
ko? Lumapit
hindi.
siya?
Nakilala siya bilang isang pulis din.
Pulis
So-
din? Ba't pulis ba siya?
No, ako po.
Oh.
Nakilala niya siguro ako na isang pulis. So, pag makita niya ako, para mag-smile siya. So, minsan,
Ba't
nakita
type
na
ka ba niya?
Po.
Ang nag-smile. Smile, ibig sabihin, may...
No, parang
gusto niya makipagkilala
parang
sa'yo.
nag-greet
Oh, so,
sa akin.
kinilala mo na siya nung nag-smile siya.
Ayan lang po.
And then, was that the beginning of a very...
Ay, hindi na naman po. Basta nakilala ko lang siya as Edgar
So, hindi
Matubato.
kayo nagkaroon ng interaction na talagang magkasama kayo?
Wala po.
Alright. And in the course of this, what have you heard about him? Or what do you know of him?
Kahit ngayon po, lately, may mga interviews na nakita namin sa TV. May nagsabi na happy sila na wala na si Matubato sa Samal.